In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Confluence. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account so you land on the Atlassian start page, then open Confluence from there. Once you're in, you'll see the top navigation bar. This global bar stays in place no matter where you go, so think of it as your North Star. On the left, the Confluence logo takes you to your personal home or dashboard, where you'll see an activity feed with what your team has been working on. If you ever feel lost, clicking that logo is the quickest way to reset your view. Look for the sidebar toggle icon near the top. Click it to collapse or expand the sidebar. Collapsing gives you more screen space. Expanding brings back quick access to your navigation. You'll also see the Create button in this top bar. Click Create when you're ready to start something new, whether that's a page, a whiteboard, or even a new space, depending on your permissions. It's the fastest way to capture ideas or kick off documentation. Now let's move to the sidebar, which is specific to the space you're viewing. Click into a space, for example, a team space like marketing, and a grey sidebar appears on the left. This sidebar controls only that team's area. The overview is the space's homepage. Use it to get a high-level view of what's important in that space. The blog section is where announcements live in chronological order, which is great for updates and team news. Below that is the page tree. Think of it like a folder structure for your pages. You'll see pages nested under other pages. Click the small arrow next to a page name to expand it and reveal the child pages inside. This is the best way to navigate longer documentation hierarchies. On the left panel, click More to reveal additional shortcuts. Choose Recent to quickly jump back to pages you viewed, edited, or drafted lately. It's the fastest way to continue work you started yesterday without searching. Click More again and select Starred to see items you've marked as important. This is perfect for keeping key pages at your fingertips. In that same area, you can also access teams, drafts, and tasks, which helps you organize your work, find in-progress content, and stay on top of what's assigned to you. That's the tour. Use the top bar as your compass, the Create button to build, and the sidebar to drill down into any space. Thanks for watching.